Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Zendex Jack Portable is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner, offering unparalleled convenience and reliability for roadside emergencies and everyday maintenance tasks. This compact and powerful device is designed to lift your vehicle quickly and safely, ensuring you're never stranded, whether you're dealing with a flat tire on a deserted highway or performing routine checks in your driveway. Its user-friendly design and robust construction make it a must-have for anyone who values preparedness and self-sufficiency on the road, providing peace of mind with every use. Number 5. E-HEELP Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. Introducing the E-HEELP Electric Car Jack Kit, your ultimate solution for vehicle maintenance. This powerful hydraulic jack can lift up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes, making tire changes a breeze for sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Designed for versatility, it powers up via your car's 12V socket or cigarette lighter. Its high-power motor is compatible with nearly all vehicles, ensuring you're always prepared, whether on the road or at home. Never get caught with a flat again. This jack features a built-in tire inflator with a pressure display, allowing you to monitor and adjust tire pressure on the go. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional tire changes. From your home garage to roadside emergencies, this portable jack is your reliable companion. Its waterproof design and integrated LED lights ensure functionality even in challenging conditions, like rainy nights. Your safety is paramount. This jack is equipped with an overload protection system that automatically stops lifting when the maximum height or weight is reached. The enhanced friction design further ensures stability during operation. What we like. This one is built for tough conditions. Its waterproof design and dual LED lights make it ideal for use in any weather, even at night. If you often find yourself needing to change a tire in less than ideal conditions, or if you simply want the peace of mind of a robust and reliable tool, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a well-made product that does what it is intended to do. It charges quickly and is very effective and easy to use. It comes with a light and inflator, and fits easily in the trunk. This kit is a guarantee of safe driving, allowing you to fix problems in time to continue your journey. The product lifted my full-size truck without a problem. It comes with 2 options for power: 1, a cigarette lighter adapter, or 2, alligator cables to connect directly to the battery. It raised the vehicle effortlessly and I used my jack stands to support the vehicle. Number 4. 5-ton 12V Electric Car Jack Kit. Introducing a comprehensive mobile car repair kit designed to meet all your tire changing and inflation needs. This powerful tool is your perfect companion for emergencies, saving you time and effort. This electric jack can lift up to 5 tons with ease, reaching its maximum height in under 2 minutes. It comes with detachable heads to accommodate most vehicles, from sedans to trucks. Equipped with a 150 psi tire inflator and a clear digital pressure display, this device ensures your tires are always at the optimal pressure. It's versatile enough for cars, bikes, and even inflatable toys. Included in this kit is a 12V DC electric impact wrench with 2 sleeves, providing 4 different sizes to fit most vehicles. It delivers a maximum torque of 420 Nm for quick lug nut removal. Featuring a built-in LED light, this tool illuminates your work area, making it easy to operate even in dark conditions. It's an indispensable helper for any roadside emergency or garage task. Whether you're on a road trip or facing an unexpected breakdown, this portable car lift is designed for reliability. Store it in your trunk for peace of mind. What we like. This option is a true all-in-one mobile repair kit. With an integrated tire inflator and an LCD pressure display, you can handle tire pressure issues on the spot. If you're someone who values convenience and wants to be prepared for almost any tire-related emergency, this is the one for you. What people say. The jack is very compact and easy to store. It lifts my car quickly and smoothly. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 3. Electric Car Jack 5-ton 12V. Tired of slow tire changes? This powerful device lets you replace and inflate tires quickly, all in one easy process. Save valuable time with this all-in-one solution. Engineered with precision, it boasts excellent airtightness. Its tightly sealed components prevent oil leaks, even under pressure, ensuring consistent and stable operation. Capable of lifting up to 5 tons, it's perfect for most SUVs, sedans, and vehicles with a low chassis. It even includes a bright LED light for nighttime use. Built with quality in mind, it features upgraded copper wiring and an improved anti-leak system. Continuous enhancements ensure it performs reliably every time you use it. We stand by our product with comprehensive after-sales support. Enjoy peace of mind with our 360-day worry-free replacement service. What we like. This jack emphasizes reliability and ease of use. Its high-precision design and excellent airtightness ensure stable performance, while the worry-free after-sales service provides great peace of mind. If you're looking for a straightforward, dependable jack with solid support, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Works great from large SUVs to small SUVs and trucks. Only thing on small compact cars, the jack won't fit under these vehicles due to the height. The air pump effortlessly brought my tires up to 50 psi, directly on the ground within about 90 seconds. The upwards facing LED is a game changer. The red and blue lights on the back are really nice. Easily raises larger vehicles. This enclosed single piston design is much better and safer than the exposed scissor type. Number 2. 3T Red Tyre Pneumatic Jack. This pneumatic jack can lift up to 6,600 pounds or 3 tons. It raises from 5.71 to 16 inches in just 5 seconds, and operates in extreme temperatures from -60 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Constructed from high-strength steel, its heavy-duty design ensures it is sturdy and durable. The structure allows for smooth and easy collapse after use. Moving and using this jack is simple thanks to the equipped portable handle. It's designed for your convenience. Experience the fastest and easiest way to lift your vehicle. It inflates quickly with compressed air, making the job effortless. This tool is ideal for a wide range of vehicles, including cars, minivans, and SUVs. It performs exceptionally well on soft terrain, beaches, or muddy roads. What we like. This is your go-to for challenging environments. Its pneumatic operation and ability to work on soft terrain like beaches or muddy roads make it incredibly versatile. If you frequently drive off-road or encounter difficult ground conditions, this jack will get you back on track quickly. What people say. This jack is very compact and easy to store in the trunk of my car. It lifts my SUV with no problem at all, and it's surprisingly fast. The build quality feels solid and durable, giving me confidence in its safety. Number 1. ESCO 92040 2-ton Bladder Jack. Introducing the ESCO 92040 2-ton Bladder Jack, a popular choice for collision repair shops. It's designed for seamless integration with frame machines, making your repair process more efficient. Experience superior stability with its large bottom plate and internal stabilization cylinder. This ensures a secure and reliable operation every time you use it. Effortlessly raise and lower your vehicle with the easy up and down function handle. Its intuitive design makes adjustments simple and quick. With a minimum height of 4.5 inches, it provides a low profile for tight spaces. The maximum height reaches 17 inches with the included extension, offering versatile lifting capabilities. A 3-inch extension is included to further enhance its reach and flexibility. This allows you to adapt to various vehicle heights and repair needs. This jack is a go-to tool for collision repair shops, known for its performance and reliability. It's built to handle the demands of professional use. What we like. This jack is a professional's tool, popular in collision repair shops. Its design is optimized for use with frame machines, offering enhanced stability. If you're in the automotive repair industry or need a highly stable jack for precise work, this is the specialized tool you'll want. What people say. It looks and feels like a snap-on tool. It raised the rear tires off the ground and was amazingly stable. Left enough room to place 2 jack stands. This model fits on one of my car that is a low profile. It works for my Porsche Cayman perfectly. It is definitely a lot easier to drag this around than a jack or even a portable jack. It collapses more than others, making it easier to get under low things, like a car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.